Go.
Hi, I'm Susan McGilvray, English 7 teacher at Harmony Middle School.
And I'm Teresa Weiss, Special Ed English 7 teacher at Harmony Middle School as well.
We are working on fact and opinion, and our summative assessment will be having 3 facts and 3 opinions within their persuasive essay, trying to tie their reading and writing together. We are following one of the enhanced scope and sequence lesson skill, distinguishing fact from opinion, and we're also using the Loudoun County Curriculum Guide. And the kids will have a Venn diagram comparing fact and opinion. We're also going to look at a writing sample and see if they can identify those. 3.
So after the students watch an interactive sing-along video on fact and opinion, we will be doing our first formative assessment, which will be a fact and opinion exit ticket from the LCPS curriculum guide. This will help us guide strategy groups for the following day. We're going to, based on their answers to the exit tickets, we will sort students into 3 groups, either the I got it, I almost got it, or I don't got it group. Students in the I got it group will be paired with students in the I almost got it group, and the students in the I don't got it group will be joined with the teacher for small group instruction.
Get your feet off my
Why are you here?
Create a video.
Wait, what are we doing? I'm staying out of the video.
Oh!
If you're done, you can turn it in the box.
I turned it in.
Thank you.
Oh. The second formative assessment we're going to do is we're going to read a short article on gum chewing written by a middle schooler, try and increase engagement. And they're going to use the SAGE and Scribe Kagan structure. We use those a lot every day if we can, to read the article and determine facts and opinion within the text. SAGE and Scribe, describe that.
So the SAGE is the person who will be reading the article and will be trying to find some facts and opinion, and they will just tell the facts and opinions to the scribe, who will write them down, or in this case, they'll just highlight them and they'll discuss whether or not they agree or disagree with it being a fact versus an opinion.
And the scribe can't write anything until they agree.
Right.
So the discussion part is key, especially for.
And then they swap roles, so everybody gets a chance with the role.
When someone's moment is raised, they are more likely to say this advance shows that gum use needs to be allowed at school to Wait, no. One reason is when I'm at school. I think the solution sleepy or wanting to fall asleep. The solution is, I don't know what that says, maybe a prayer, right there. Predicament is gum. According to scientific study by Kathleen Melvinson from University of Rhode Island, when you chew gum, your metabolism increases by 20%. I think that's a fact.
Scientific study.
No, like the second half.
So they studied it.
Second sentence is the fact.
Okay, when some
Are you really recording us?
they are
I feel like we've already done
to
this.
stay awake. This evidence shows
One of those weird feeling that gum needs to be allowed at school to help students stay away.
When someone
Metabolism is weak,
they are more likely to
research has exposed that movement is because they make that natural make a great difference going to get food. Then insulin.
Alright. You might argue that gum is unhealthy and is not good for you. That sounds like anything you should eat. What do you think? Is that a fact? If it's put out by the gum company?
No.
I guess we'd have to have that verified, Tom.
Opinion. And then after that, you underline.
Okay, yeah, I agree. Before one sees the research, gum chewing might allow like a horrific idea. In fact, gum chewing, chewing gum is really a great thing to allow.
That's an opinion.
Oh yeah, whoops.
Just because it says
She's basically saying,
Yay! The third formative assessment we will be doing is called Scoot. For this activity, it'll be a chance for the kids to get up and walk around the classroom. There will be multiple choice cards, task cards, throughout the room on the desks. And students will have an answer key, and they'll go around and answer the multiple choice questions on their answer sheet.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
And then we'll check them at the end and see how they do.
I think I would say it. Here you go. Just stick it in the back. I don't A.
alright, bam.
My name is Mariah Stings, and I forget to leave delicious.
I like this one. No, delicious.
No, it's delicious.
Jesus made from milk.
That is, I ran out of that, that's true.
And that's all we do. We just flip it back over. Yep. That's easy.
The final formative assessment for this unit is for them to highlight the facts and opinions within the context of their persuasive essays. With our grant, we got Chromebooks, so the kids are using Google Classroom this year. It's been fabulous. Awesome. And they're going to highlight those, talk to their writing partner as a double check, and then we can have access to it at any time. We can check them ourselves and put comments on the side. They nailed it or they didn't. So.
We'll be conferencing individually with students who need some reteaching as we look through Google Classroom and how they're doing on this skill. So the way that we will be assessing these formative assessments is a scale, a 4-point formative assessment scale. So a 4 means that they exceed the expectation, a 3 they meet the expectation, a 2 they're progressing, and a 1 they don't meet, or a 0 they did not attempt the assignment.
So if they get a 3 or 4, we know we're doing okay. Anything less, we'll get back to them.
Yeah.
Great. We'll be using a couple of co-teaching models. Team teaching will be the predominant one, where we're both teaching at the same time.
And then the other one we'll be using will be the alternative teaching method, which will mainly be used during the Sage and Scribe activity, where we'll pull out those kids that don't seem to be getting it, that need a little bit extra help, and one of us will be working with that group in a small group while the other is rotating around helping the students who are doing the Sage and Scribe activity together.
Keeping them on track.
There will be extension activities for students who demonstrate mastery, where the experts who really get it will be helping and teaching the I almost got it, as we're calling them.
And students that are ready to move on can research facts to include in their persuasive essay, so they can actually do some research within their Chromebooks, Google Classroom.
Yay! 1, 2, 3. Wow!